Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, and a very important video in making. What I want to suggest that yesterday how market took a support and went up. There was a bounce from the lower levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty both have shown a recovery. What I feel market definitely, we all know that market is going to open gap up, and a lot of stocks have been struggling to go up, right? So I've made a list of all those stocks which have been struggling in the last 1 week to go up, but they didn't find right circumstances, they didn't find certainty in the market, and hence they didn't go up. So I'm going to present you the list, and this reason behind each of those stocks is similar, that all of them struggle to cross their day's high. So see here, this is trend, what a beautiful double bottom, and it took resistance from 1222. In case it goes above 1222, a target of 1300 can be expected in few days. Then Eicher Motor, once again standing on a very strong zone on the lifetime high, not lifetime high, but recent past, it has made a double top, in fact double top and now triple top, and if it crosses 30,050, it will definitely be a good move in Eicher Motor. Then GNFC, all the stocks have the similar structure, some at the bottom, some in the middle. So here GNFC shown the strength yesterday. So above 641, GNFC will be a good buying opportunity. Have a look at the price. If you have a look at the price, you will see that price has been shifting in the upward direction continuously. There have been higher lows. Higher lows have been formed, and that is why it looks pretty good. LNT. Have a look at LNT. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 days uncertainty, but above today's, above 1700 as it is being a level, where call option writers are going to be very aggressive. Let me just have a look at what is happening in LNT. Well, I have a feeling that it should be having some kind of call unwinding. So let's see what is happening in call unwinding. See here, this is 1700, huge call unwinding happening, right? This indicates that stock definitely plans to go above 1700, right? So that's the kind of assurance I get when I select a stock, that definitely stock is planning to go up. Then Canfin Home, this stock is again struggling for a long period of time and stands on a very strong foot right now. If I just want to connect and see what is happening in the price action, the stock has been continuously making higher lows, and now it stands at a place where it is ready for a breakout. So in case, of course, see, I'm going to present my list, and then I'm going to tell you a strategy by which you can find out which is the best stock out of these 10 stocks, 10, 15 stocks that I've selected. I'm going to give you a strategy, so stay tuned, right? You need to have a plan when you enter in the stock market. So Canfin Home above 486 is going to be a good opportunity to enter. Then Cipla, have a look at Cipla. Huge, there was a congestion zone and it is giving a breakout once it goes above 968 or 969, above that, or maybe you can take 970 as a round of number. It will definitely give a breakout and it will go till about 978, and after 978 a target of 1000 can be surely expected. Then have a look at SBI Life. SBI Life has already given a breakout. The closing have been at the place where it took resistance in the past. So now our entry is going to somewhere around 1162. This is where we will take entry, where it took strong resistance in the past. Then Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is again, kind of developing right now. And in case it goes above 6000, that is only after that only we need to take entry, not before that. 6000 must be crossed, and then after that we will have a very beautiful entry. Have a look at Astral. Astral is heading for a strong resistance zone, but still, nevertheless, even above this place, which is 1792, we can definitely take an entry, and a target of 1830 can be definitely expected, and after 1830 a target of 1900 straight away can be expected. So that's my my next stock is BHEL. Look at BHEL, how it has been developing continuously, crossed this major barrier, and after that it has been an uptrend, and also it has almost filled up this gap, the gap down, which it created about few a month back. So above 50, I think there will be a good opportunity to enter into BHEL for a target of 51, 52, 53, 54, and even 55 can be a target that can be expected in BHEL. Then a stock I've been watching for a long period of time. I have given in earlier videos as well that above 1355. It has still not crossed that level. 1355 is going to be a very strong buy level. So we have an entry above 1355, and huge volumes have appeared on this particular day, which is 12th July. And after that, this barrier of 1355 has not been crossed. Once it crosses that, a target of 1390 can be surely expected. And the last stock is going to be M&M. So M&M is on a very strong foot right now. Where it stands is really powerful, um, backed by a lot of news and a good data about M&M. I'm not going to discuss all of it, but it looks very strong. And if you have a look at this, this the moment this price congestion is crossed, we definitely will expect a movement from 1170 to 1195, and above 1200 it's going to straight away go till 1300. May not be within this month, but next month surely it can touch 1300. So these are my stocks that I've selected. Now how are you going to take entry? So when the market opens, what you can do is the strategy that I'm presenting you. A lot of them will open gap up because the stance is such, it looks that most of them will open gap up. Now, if they open gap up, you need to have a proper entry, right? What you can do is either you can wait for them to retrace, right? Let's say it opens here, let it go up, slightly up, and when it comes down and bounces back from this level, the high level of today, like what you have to do is, let me explain you once again. Suppose M&M opens here, right? Market never goes in single direction. So let it open gap up, and whenever it comes to touch this 1195 or 1200, and you see it standing for about 15-20 minutes here and forming a base, then you can take an entry for an upward journey. Same goes with any stock. In case out of this list you find a stock opening in the previous day trade rates, right? I hope you get it. These are the stocks that have filtered. If you find any stock opening in the previous day's range, for example, M&M opens here, then you have no worries. Whenever it crosses the Friday's high, you can take an entry. Simple, right? Question is when the gap up opens. In case gap up opens, wait for a retrace and then take an entry. But all of them look very promising, and I'm definitely expecting market to remain positive for next couple of days or maybe 3 days. So with this, I'm signing off, your host Dr. Seema Jain, and do join us for live trading every single day. The link is in the description box, and also join my Telegram channel. The link is on the top, and see you in my live webinar. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.